Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 172. Question number 4. Construct the following equilateral triangles. First part I do for you. Measure side AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Step of construction. Draw AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Step 2, with the B as a center, draw an arc of radius 12 centimeter. Step 3, with the A as a center. With the A as a center, draw another arc of same radius to that it is intersect the previous arc at point C. Join C to AB. So triangle ABC is required. Draw like that, no? Put the and then cut. Then again center of B. Okay. Question 4. Equilateral triangles altitude CD is equal to 10 centimeter. Part 3. Part 3. Step of construction. First, draw AB approximately 12 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Draw AB approximately 10 centimeter. Mark a point D at center. Of a CD perpendicular to AB. And step 3, draw CD perpendicular to AB. Step 4, with the D as a center, draw an arc with a radius 10 centimeter so that it is intersect the perpendicular to CD at E. Step 5, at E, draw two angles of 30 degree each on either side of CD. Mark point F and G where the arms of angles intersect AB. Triangle EFG is a required triangle. EFG is a required triangle. EFG is a required triangle. Question number 5. Isosceles triangle. Measure AB is equal to 8 centimeter and measure angle A is equal to 65 degree. Step of construction. Draw AB 8 centimeter. First step. Second, construct angle ABC is equal to 65 degree. Construct angle, measure angle ABC is equal to 65 degree centigrade. ABC is equal to 65 degree. And the step 4, extend the arm of these angles so that they intersect at point C. Triangle AB is required isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangle. Question 5. Isosceles triangle altitude is equal 8 centimeter and vertical angle 50 degree. First, to calculate the base angle plus 50 degree plus 50 degree and is equal to 180 degree. The base angle is equal to plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Base angle is equal to 180 minus 100 and base angle is equal to 80 degree. 80 degree. Each base angle is divided by 2, then we got 40 degree angle. Step to draw AB of any length and mark point D on it. Step 3, draw CD to perpendicular. Step 3, Draw CD perpendicular to AB. Step 4. With a D as a center, draw an arc of radius 8 cm so that it is intersect CD at point E. And step 5. Construct angle DEF is equal to 50 degree and angle DEG is equal to 50 degree. So triangle EFG is required, isosceles triangle.